If you've ever had to ask a stranger for a jump start, you know how much of a hassle that is, and sketchy, because you never know what kind of person you're asking. They could be a saint, they could be a real problem. Make sure that you actually have a portable jump starter that is also a tire inflator. It comes with this little battery pack, and it has little cables, so you don't have to, ask anybody. You don't need to have those jumper cables in your car either. It has this little thing for the air pump. It even comes with an extra USB-C charging cable and inputs. So, when your phone dies at the worst possible time, you have backup here too. It also has little extra accessories, and it even comes all together in a nice little hard cover carrying case. I'm going to link it for you because it is a very affordable way to make sure that you're protected. And if you have teenagers driving, or just young women, or any women in your life, just make sure they're protected.